Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 camera tips and tricks for your TECNO Spark 10 Pro. So first of all, let's start from the volume buttons. They are located on the right side, and take a look. When I click once on the volume button or volume down button, I can take the photos. When I click and hold one of this button, I'm going to take 20 photos in this series. It works the same for the shutter button. So next, if you want to smoothly zoom in or zoom out, you can for sure click right here on the preset, but you can also click and hold on this preset and you will unlock this slider, and thanks to the slider you can definitely zoom in or zoom out very smooth. Next, if you want to change some colors on the preview, as you can see currently that's the black and the white, you can click on the right upper corner, and here you can find some filters. As you can see, they will change the color and the temperature on the photos. There's also the monochromatic mode. Next, when you click on the left upper corner on the settings icon, you can find other useful options, like for example, you can use your fingerprint, this one, as a shutter. So right now, take a look. You can just click on the screen, click on the shutter, click and hold it, and the photo will be taken. If you want to get shutter delay, you have to also go to the settings, where you can find camera timer between 3, 5 or even 10 seconds. Take a look right now. And the photo was taken. And if you want to get control over other parameters of your photos, you can open the Pro mode, where you can find all of the parameters that you can basically adjust automatically. So there's the exposure compensation, shutter speed, ISO level, white balance, focus range, and also the matrix metering. And yeah, honestly, that's all 5 camera tips and tricks for the TECNO Spark 10 Pro. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.